In these videos, you will learn English by looking at real-life pictures. We describe what's happening in each image, using simple words and clear sentences. This helps you build useful vocabulary and understand natural English. You will also learn how to talk about everyday situations with confidence. Along the way, we include basic grammar tips and common sentence patterns. Everything is spoken slowly and clearly, so it's easy to follow and repeat. This way, you can practice speaking, listening, and thinking in English, step by step. After listening to the text, we would like to hear from you. How would you describe this picture in your own words? Share your ideas in the comments and practice writing in English. Let's get started.
In this picture, we see a woman sitting on a comfortable beige sofa in a cozy living room. She is holding a cup with both hands, and she seems to be drinking something warm, like tea or coffee. The woman has long brown hair tied in a ponytail, and she is wearing a dark red shawl and blue jeans. She is sitting in a relaxed position, looking out towards the window on the left side of the room. The sofa is covered with different cushions in white, cream, and black colors, with beautiful patterns. There is also a white fur blanket placed over the armrest of the sofa. On the floor, close to the sofa, we can see a large dog lying down. The dog is light brown or golden in color and looks peaceful and calm. It is resting on a colorful rug that has a pattern in red, blue, green, and pink shades. The rug adds a warm and cheerful feeling to the room. Next to the sofa, there is a small round leather poof and a side table made of wood. On the table, there is a basket with some dried flowers and a few small decorative pumpkins. Behind the woman, we see a tall bookshelf filled with books and a string of white lights hanging beside it. The wall has a simple, clean look with some round, woven decorations hanging above the couch. There is a large window that brings in lots of natural light, making the room look bright and fresh. The floor is made of light-colored wood, which gives the space a warm and natural look. This living room feels like a quiet and comfortable place where someone can relax and enjoy a peaceful moment. The whole scene gives a feeling of calm, warmth, and home comfort.